Hello my kitchen fam, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to make some popsicles with the strawberry watermelon juice. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Remember to tell your friends and loved ones about Watermelon Creation YouTube channel. Turn on that post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Because summer is around the corner and I decided to post this video right now, even though I did it a while back, because I did a part 1 of this video where I made the juice, and now I'm gonna make the popsicle with the juice that I made, and this was the finished product of the juice. Really rich and nice. The weather is changing. I already feel summer time is getting hot, so yeah, it's time for some juice. I want these mini popsicle sets of Temu, and I am deciding that I'm going to make some popsicles out of them. So let me get this out of the case. This is how they came in this plastic. So I already made my juice, so I will place that link in the description box here to see how I made the juice. Also, I will get this wash out and I will be right back. Also, if you want to order this from Temu or on one of my affiliate links, I will place the link in the description box as well. You just order yours. Even though I got this for free, I have to play a game called Fishland or Farmland. One of them I got it from. I don't quite remember which one. So yeah, I will place the link in the description box. So yeah, I am back and I have my juice. Here I made 3 glasses of juice. And I'm going to use this one because I'm going to store my oils to drink after I put them into the refrigerator. I'm going to use this one to fill them up. So I'm going to fill these up and place them into the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours. Then I'm going to come back and place my popsicle sticks in there. So yeah, let's cover it. So here is it. This is a better shot of my popsicle. Short and spicy. I didn't want the juice video to be too long, so I cut it down and make 2 videos at once. So guys, this is after a few hours and this is getting a little bit over, but I think I poured too much in there. But right now I'm just gonna place my popsicle sticks in here. I think I waited too long. Yeah, I actually forgot about them. So yeah, whenever they are set, maybe leave them for a day or so because I'm gonna get busy later. This one is hard. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'm gonna have to leave this. Okay, there you go. I have to clean that up. So yeah, so they're gonna be. Alrighty, I'll see you later. So here you have it. The popsicle is done. You can make these for your kids or you can make them with your kids. And these are kids bite size. I didn't know that the popsicle container was so small, but it will work for me. So right here I'm about to take off the top of this popsicle container. So now they're ready to eat. Thank you all for watching. This is a finished product. Stay tuned for more. Like, comment, share and subscribe and tell your friends and loved ones about Watermelon Kitchen YouTube channel. I shall see you guys in another video. Peace. I'm out.